Hello, guys. Good day. Depending on where you are and where you are watching this video from. You're welcome again to another weekly analysis like we normally do. So we start with DXY, which is the dollar index. I actually made a video for last week, but somehow you guys wouldn't believe that I thought I put the video, YouTube, but I forgot. I didn't see the video on the Tuesday, and I was like, wow. So that's why today I'm gonna ensure I put this, out there so that you guys can follow with me for the week. All right. So moving on. So this is DXY like we normally do. On this channel we like to look at the DXY. And the last time I think that was 2 weeks ago, I said we might see some pullback. But then on Thursday we saw a bounce around this support. I'm actually on the daily time frame. I need us to go to the daily time frame to see what the DXY is doing. So DXY is really pulling back. It's really pulling back. So it's showing a bearish move. As you can see how quickly our candle closed. All right, so we might likely continue this to the downtrend this week to see can have something like this to test this support. So if this support doesn't hold, we take out price might likely take out the support, and the next support to test, if price take out the support, is this area. All right, but like I said, this support is a major determinant, because if you look at the daily time frame, see this on Thursday we have a bounce from here, so we might have something that looks like this. So we might have two scenarios, because if you look at the XY, it has been so we might have two scenarios. Price might either bounce from here and continue to the upside. All right, that's for dollar index. Or my price take out the support and come test this area. This other area. It's right about here. All right. So that's for on the weekly time frame, as you can see. So but then what is building on the weekly time frame, I likely come and test this place. Price is majorly trying to will likely test this place to see if this place will hold. If it doesn't, like I said, break out this, might have a breakout from there to test this next support area. That's for DXY. So moving on, let's see what gold is doing. Gold has been super bullish. If you've been following me this channel, remember that I was in a buy some couple of weeks ago. I think I came out around there. But then gold has been super bullish. I missed this trade. This other one, I was waiting for price to pull back, and price actually pulled back. I took profit here around the area, this area, and the price pulled back. But somehow I missed, this trade. I was waiting for price to, after touching this resistance to pull back, and then I entered buy. But then, I missed this this position. I didn't take this position, so price had already, bunker. So there's no way I can join that practically for now. So I've left it. So and if you follow this channel, I've been trading gold majorly for the trading view competition, the one that is presently going. It's going to end of this month, and presently I'm one of the top 40% according to trading view, and they have a lot of I'm trying to get the okay. They have a lot of folks trading this this competition. I'm trying to get the account for someone. Maybe when I get it, I'll share with you later. I'm trying to look for the account. Give me 1 minute. Let me see if I can look for that account. All right, guys. So this is the account I was looking for. This is so I haven't been trading so aggressively, and even at that, there's no way you can a lot of rules and conditions. So far I've only done 4% on this account, just trading passively. This is you can see they gave us $100,000. I've done $4,700 on it. So far so good. I think the guy that is topping has done $20,000. So they have a lot of street conditions. So you can't just enter 100 lots on the account. All right. So moving on. So let's look at what Bitcoin is doing. If you've been following me on this channel, you know I'm super bullish on Bitcoin. I've always been super bullish on, at least since we bottom out around that $16,000. I've been buying some Bitcoin, and I've been doing a lot of this year. So, and the 2 weeks ago we were talking about the support. I remember that the price break, the support we are likely to come here around 48,000. But you know, thank God, price bounced off from around 56,000. I wouldn't say we are completely out of the woods, but a lot of fundamentals, you know, supporting that, you know, Bitcoin is likely to take off from there. We might see a lot of some sideways between now and say July, August, you know, but then Bitcoin is still, I think the bullish condition for Bitcoin is still intact. You know, when you look at Bitcoin halving, I just said that happened. I think that was last month in April. I look at Bitcoin, the Bitcoin halving. You look at the US general election that is also coming. It's a major determinant the money market. Also, look at you look at the fact that the Federal Reserve is likely to start cutting interest rates this year, probably towards the end of the year. You know, those are very strong conditions that suggesting that when they start doing that, they have a lot of money in the economy. And when you do that, when there's a lot of money in the economy, flows down into stocks and cryptos, and right, because people will start investing. So the conditions are well lined up for going to continue to the upside. So for me, I'm still holding my positions on Bitcoin. And these are positions I've been holding for over, I think it's going to 2 years now. I'm still holding them. I'll start taking profit from Bitcoin by the time we are nearing, say, around 1,000. I'll be doing this year out the same way I did it this year. I'll start taking my profit, you know, cryptos, starting with Bitcoin Edge, and especially. All right. So my prediction for Bitcoin to top out this cycle, I'm looking at well above 100,000, probably around $120,000 and above. The Bitcoin spot ETF is also a major determinant. I forgot to mention that. So presently we see a lot of money moving in, not only from institutions, even from government agencies. There's a report that came out from one state sometimes this week. Pensions funds, you know, they've started investing in Bitcoin. All right, so it's telling you that we are still super bullish with crypto. All right, so moving on. So let's look at currency. Pounds had broken out from here. Pounds is bullish. Pounds, I remember, I think it was last week I put this here. And the funny thing is, I actually missed this buy position for pounds. Somehow I just missed it. You know, when you are, there's a project I'm working on right now that's taking all my time. So during the week, I really don't have time. Times watching, you know, checking what the chart is doing. By the time I'm checking, price has already moved. Sometimes that'd be very painful. Imagine I already have this counter trend line there waiting, and then somehow and I forgot to put um my limit order. The price just took off. So having said that, if you go to the weekly time frame, you can see that pounds is super bullish. As you can see, let me take out this counter trend line. As you can see, we have this super bullish engulfing candle for pounds. So we are testing this resistance. I expect price this week to, you know, normally after break of structure, you have price. Basic market structure tells you after every break of structure, that price comes down a little bit, you know, to form support, and then we continue to the upside. So I'm expecting this to continue, this trend to continue. But the first few days, you know, probably on Monday and Tuesday, you might see a pullback. What you want to do is to go to your 4-hour time frame, on our time frame, to go wait for price to form a very sweet support. If you go to the 4-hour time frame, you know, might see, don't forget, price has broken out from here. So that's why I say after every big structure. So we already have this resistance will now turn to what? Turn to support. So price is likely to do this now and then continue to the upside. All right. So you want to wait for price to come to you before you jump on that buy. You don't want to buy at resistance and you don't want to sell at support. So that's that for pounds. So for I was supposed to look at Euro USD, but I want us to look at NAS 100. This guy has been super bullish. I held a buy position on one of my accounts for NAS 100, the one I used to trade indices from around there. I took that buy. It came out last week around there. I took profit around there. So this is the position that actually gave me some form of some form of relief, because I lost, because I didn't take positions on most of the accounts that are marked out. But I didn't miss this one. I took that buy. I think I had it for like 2 weeks. Yes, took that buy around there, around the support, and I held it. I didn't come out until last week around there. And by the time I checked later, I saw that price has broken through this resistance. So NAS 100 is super bullish. For your own, don't even try selling this guy if you don't want to do. Now we are nearing new this is new area that has never reached before, because price has never come to this area before, to 18,000. So this is the first time, if I'm not mistaken. Let's go check on the monthly time frame so that we'll see that this is a new paradigm for NAS 100. And like I said, the conditions are lining up for indices, for stocks, for cryptos, for commodities this year, especially in the light, of the United States general election that is coming up. It's showing that we are going to still keep seeing a lot of bullishness. Also also in the S&P 500. All right. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, make sure you do so. Also, I'm going to be dropping our Telegram group. It's free Telegram group. I'm dropping it in the link below. Ensure you subscribe to our channel. All right. So have a beautiful trading week. I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye.